Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HardboxElectronics.com. They're putting the boiler in, so that's what the noise is in the background. I'm going to do a quick before video. Use the caps, resistors, parasitic board, bias mod, diodes in the rear, needs So-239s, and gas discharge tubes, and new LEDs, because it has LEDs going through the bottom of the meters and they don't work. So I'm going to get to work. See you guys soon. Okay, the amp's all done. So 3.7 megs, 1 kW slug, bird 43, PP kit is on, they're still doing the boiler, so that's all the noise in the background if you hear it. So radio is doing about 70 or so. Keep amp, audio hello, hello, audio hello, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, 600, audio, audio hello, 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 audio hello, 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 audio hello, hello, she's working as she should. So I'll finish testing other bands and I'll show you what I did in the inside. See you guys soon. So here's the inside. New chemic caps, new resistors to the bias mod, added the diodes in the rear board, new parasitic board, longer screw on the top, longer screw on the bottom of the plate choke, added the gas discharge tubes, needed a new grid current meter because it was sticking. It was not touching the backing plate. Every once in a while it would stick. Backing plate was coming off, but it was not. I resecured it and it was not sticking. Put the LEDs inside the meters, got rid of the ones below, resoldered the connection. Someone had this meter out before, so they definitely messed with it. Clean the output rotary switch, input rotary switch with the Oxide Gold, clean the TR relay / bias relay with the Oxide Gold, new So-239s for max gain systems, or the old ones. And that's about it. Meter protection diode was okay. Resoldered the connections on the fuse holders. They were not soldered well. And that's it. So I'm going to tighten up on hardware, nuts and everything, and screws. Compress the socket clips and clean the socket clips. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Websites are Hardbox Electronics and AmpRepairGuy.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we actually have a surprise. We have a new relay board that's going to be available. So I have to test it, make sure it's working properly. I'm just waiting on parts, and that will be available for SB220s and other amplifiers. Had an engineer design it for me, and it came out real nice. Okay, no spirit expense. So again, 203-892-4119. If you didn't hear it before, they're still doing the boiler stuff. So keeping it short. Okay, thanks for watching, and I have an AL572 next. So. I also got a brand new set of Penta lab tubes. Awesome company. Hey, catch you later. Oh yeah, also zip tied the wires. So 73.